Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we are going to be installing and reviewing the Pergon Enterprises tonneau cover. We're going to go ahead and get right into the video, but the first thing I want to say is a big shout out to Pergon Enterprises for actually sending this tonneau cover to me so we can get this on the Ranger. Y'all should check them out. They've got a 100-day free trial, so if y'all are in the market for a tonneau cover, definitely check out Pergon Enterprises. They're made here right in the USA, Shell Lake, Wisconsin, and we're going to go ahead and do a bunch of stress tests. We're going to go ahead and install it and give you my honest thoughts and review about what I like and what I don't like about this cover. The base price is the classic aluminum Peragon cover. It comes with a 1-year warranty at a base price of $900. Moving on to the platinum package, you move on to a 3-year warranty and an added dual deadbolt security. You can add $150 additional to change the color from classic black to an Arctic white. Moving on to the limited HD package, this is the actual package that Pergon Enterprises has sent us. It comes with the newest powder coated XRP rugged matte finish. It is awesome. Think of it as sprayed on bed liner on your cover. It's scratch resistant and helps protect from debris and extra elements that could damage the aluminum cover. It comes with a 5-year warranty, additional tailgate seal to help with the sealing of water and all that good stuff, sand, dirt, as well as all the quick clamps, the dual deadbolt security locks, and all that good stuff. This pricing is going to be $1,400 plus free shipping. So guys, if you are interested in purchasing either the Platinum or the Limited HD package only, Peragon has sent us a coupon code. Use JP Visuals 15 at checkout. Again, this is only applicable to the Platinum and the Limited HD package. Honestly guys, I've had this on here for about a week or two and I've been loving it. The ease of use and knowing that all your gear in there is safe from the weather, it makes it all worth it. So definitely one upgrade that I would recommend putting on your truck. Keep your stuff secure, keep your investments safe. Definitely check out Pergon Enterprises. I'll leave a link in the description below to where y'all can check them out. Like I said, they've got a 100-day free trial. If you don't like it, their customer service is amazing. I've worked with them a couple of times during the install. They cover a variety of truck models. And like I said, if y'all are not satisfied, just make sure you keep your original packaging because you will definitely need to send it back in the original packaging. Couple key features on this tonneau cover. It's made out of aluminum. It only weighs about 35 pounds. I have had this truck since 2019. In December, this is when I purchased this Ranger. I've been putting off putting a tonneau cover on here just because I thought I could get away with just strapping things down. But recently we took a trip to Wisconsin, Manitowoc actually, when we had a full cab full of people and dogs, as well as a full truck bed of just gear, food, clothes, everything. How did we end up with more stuff than when we came? Here's Buddy. Look it up. We recently took a trip. I didn't have the cover. We knew it was gonna rain a little bit on the way up and on the way back. What we did was we tied some stuff down and we used the tarp. And if you don't secure it properly, it's going to fly out and it's not gonna protect your gear. That is one great benefit of not having to deal with this. So imagine you're driving down the highway and you completely lost your rear view mirror sight. That is not good. It's not safe for anyone. And having the tonneau cover eliminates this issue. The tarp was not a viable solution. We had to stop a couple times to really get it dialed in and tied down to the truck bed to make sure our gear was being secured, and that added like 2 hours to our total drive time. The tonneau cover really solves a lot of those issues. Having a hard cover will give you peace of mind because it's locked and would-be thieves would have some trouble getting into your cargo. All right, let's go. Number two, it protects your gear from the elements, right? So if it rains, if it snows, if you're at the beach, it actually protects your cargo from those elements. So no tonneau cover is 100% waterproof. The way you solve that is by identifying the weak points of your truck bed and where there are holes, where there are openings. One thing I've already found out is that this tonneau cover leaks towards the tailgate side. No matter what, nothing is 100% waterproof. You gotta make it waterproof. All we need to do is have the weather sealing strip right here on the tailgate, and we're good to go, man. Thanks again for checking out this video. Hope you enjoy it. And yeah, let's get right into it. Peragon includes a documentation instruction manual for each specific model, which is really nice. My bed currently is sitting at exactly 5 feet. And so reading through this should get me all the exact fitments and how to install. Alright, so we have the Peragon bed cover installed. We've got all the clamps, the brackets, the gas struts, everything's on there, and we have one slight issue with a little bit of stiffness towards the middle of the truck. I went ahead and called Peragon support after doing my own troubleshooting with the installation video they provided, and still it's a little stiff. I can get it fully closed and open, but just a little bit of extra effort needs to be put in there. So speaking with Heather from Peragon support, amazing job. She's saying that we should let it sit for 72 hours, lock the cover, and then test operation then. So we're gonna check back in with you guys in 72 hours to see how everything went. All right, y'all, so now we are going to test the waterproofness. Now remember, tonneau covers are not 100% waterproof, so go ahead and walk into this scenario with that mindset. So here we go. So wherever you see light, there's a hole back there. The tailgate. As you can see, Jessica has started the process, and as we see, this is no fault of the cover. We just need to get some tailgate seal. But as we look around, the seals on the rails are pretty tight. There's no water to be found. All the water that I'm getting hit with is literally from the tailgate, which is normal. But we're gonna go ahead and get some tailgate seal sometime this week and seal up every corner. And as you can see, where you see the hole, where the holes are, we'll patch those up. So Jess is done with the water test. Can you please help me? Help me! Ah! Honest review. Honest review. I'm in the trenches for you guys, so you guys understand what you're getting into. Oh. the tailgate where we saw the gap in light, which we will fix with a tailgate seal right here. This will fix this water gap issue. We're gonna also seal up the sides right here, as well as these sides right here. Nothing else leaked, which is really, really good. Like I said, we'll patch up those holes. So far, so good, man. This tonneau cover, not 100%, like I said, but A-okay. All right, y'all, so now that the cover is installed on the truck, we're gonna go ahead and test for aerodynamics. Right now, with the new setup, the new tires, the suspension, I'm getting about 19.3 mpgs. I do daily driving to downtown, so that's about 60 miles a day, so a lot of highway driving. So we're gonna go ahead and test it on the highway to see if it at all increases the mpgs now that the cover's on there. All right, y'all, a quick update on the mpgs. We reset the calculator for the truck. We actually are on the way to the beach today. We've got a fully loaded truck bed, as well as some bags and stuff in the back. My wife is with me, as well as my dog. So that is a lot of extra added weight to the truck, but as you can see, we are hitting 22.8 mpgs right now. I think I was averaging around 18 or 19 mpgs highway. All right, y'all, so that proves it right there, that adding a tonneau cover will help with aerodynamics and help your fuel economy. Alright y'all, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, I want to give a huge shout out to Pergon Enterprises located in Shell Lake, Wisconsin for collaborating with me on this video. Okay, guys, check them out. They are a family-owned business since 1999. Well, I hope y'all learned a little something about their tonneau cover and how much of a awesome upgrade it is to put on your truck. If you've got a truck, definitely look into getting a tonneau cover and definitely check out Pergon Enterprises. So, if y'all are in the market and you're interested in purchasing one of these covers for your vehicle, use JP Visuals 15 at checkout. Again, this is only applicable to the Platinum and the Limited HD package. I hope y'all have a good one. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Stay tuned for more truck mods and, adventures on this channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Alright, peace. Like that.